Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Make Money with Toneru. In this YouTube tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to register somebody on Uphoria. That is how to refer somebody and actually get your referral bonus. So to do that, you need to log in first to your Uphoria account with your username and password. After you've done so and you've seen your dashboard like this, you scroll down and you see your referral link. There are two referral links here. The first one has to do with the one that someone has already paid for registration and you want to buy a coupon code and refer the person to get your referral bonus. While the second link has to do with if you want to earn each time people click on your link without even referring, without actually paying for registration, you can still earn. But of course, it will not be much like that of referral sales referral earnings. So what you want to do now, the actual referring, is using the first link. So I'll go ahead to copy my referral link now to use for registration. So kindly press and hold on your referral link and select on copy link address. After that, you need to log out before you refer somebody, and that actually applies to if you are the one that is registering the person yourself. Otherwise, you just need to copy the link, send it to the person that wants to register by him or herself. So to log out, just click on the Uphoria icon or logo at the top and it will take you home. Click on the option on the top right corner and select the last icon that is here to log out. Once you're done with that, you tap on the address bar and paste the referral link that you copied and the registration portal will come up. And here you have to fill in the person's details: full name, username, password, email, phone number, the package, either plus or light, depending on what he paid for, coupon code. If you have not bought coupon code yet, simply click on the link in this description of the video to buy a coupon code from me. And note that you must see referred by, then your username. If you have not seen that, that means that the registration is wrong and you will not get your referral bonus. So you must see your username under referred by. After that, you select your country and you click on agree. I agree to terms and conditions. Right after that, you tap on the sign up button. Then you are done. You are done with the registration. The next thing is just to log in. You can now send the login link to the person along with the username and password that you used for his or her registration. So that's all for how to register somebody on Uphoria. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe on this channel and turn on your notification bell so that you get updated anytime we post a new tutorial videos like this and also other videos about making money online.